Abu Dhabi, a timeless jewel of the Arabian Peninsula, is a city where the echoes of history meet the vibrancy of modern art. Once a humble fishing village reliant on pearl diving, it has grown into a global cultural and economic hub. Its sands hold stories of resilience, innovation, and unity under the visionary leadership of the UAE's founding father, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. Today, Abu Dhabi celebrates its heritage through landmarks like Qasr Al Hassan and the majestic Louvre Abu Dhabi, where centuries-old traditions blend seamlessly with groundbreaking artistic expression, connecting past and present in profound harmony. Public Art Abu Dhabi Biennial, a groundbreaking celebration of creativity and innovation. This brand new showcase of public artworks and interventions unfolds across the city and its breathtaking surroundings, transforming Abu Dhabi into a living canvas. Colombian artist Oscar Murillo presents a powerful contribution to PAD, a 1% offering, collective messages to our ancestors. This monumental work takes the form of a collaborative mural painting covering 1% of Abu Dhabi's Corniche with large black linen sheets. Reflecting deeply on notions of immigration and struggle, this immense installation stands as a moving symbol, connecting Abu Dhabi's historical ties to the sea with the rapid pace of the Emirates' urban development. Through a 1% offering, Murillo creates a space for reflection and dialogue, a bridge between the past and the future, the ancestral and the modern. Architect and co-founder of the Dubai and Tokyo-based studio HUAWEI, Wael Alawar brings a visionary approach to design, seeking sustainable solutions by recontextualizing waste materials into valuable resources. His installation, Barzakh, located on Abu Dhabi's iconic Corniche, is a profound response to both local and global environmental challenges. By transforming recycled plastic, palm fibers, and brine into modular elements, Alawar creates a lightweight, dismantleable shelter, a striking testament to ingenuity and care for our planet. The name Barzakh invokes the idea of a boundary, a liminal space. It invites viewers to reflect on how these innovative materials and processes might reshape the architectural future of Abu Dhabi. Through Barzakh, Alawar proposes a bold and hopeful vision, one that reimagines how local materials can define a more sustainable tomorrow. Launched in mid-November, it features an inspiring array of interactive installations that invite exploration, wonder, and connection. Running through April 30th, 2025, the mission of PAD is profound: to reimagine the familiar urban landscapes of Abu Dhabi into vibrant platforms for creative expression and public engagement. It's a bold vision, aligned with the nation's unwavering commitment to fostering arts and culture as powerful drivers of economic growth and social transformation. Experience the magic, discover the art, be part of the journey. Second-generation Iraqi artist Athar Jaber brings traditional sculpture techniques to life, using them to explore the material, cultural, and architectural significance of stone within the context of human development across time. This timeless practice finds powerful expression in his piece, Clearing. At its center is an anthropomorphic channel, carved through a monolithic chunk of regional limestone. This striking form literally symbolizes the enduring relationship between humanity and the material world, while also ruminating on profound ideas of presence and absence. Through Clearing, Jaber invites us to pause and reflect, to consider the delicate interplay between the permanence of stone and the fleeting nature of human existence. Meanwhile, Pavel Altemer celebrates Abu Dhabi's beloved population of stray cats through his unconventional work, Tentarium. The piece is a tent, shaped like a cat, complete with eyes, ears, and a tail. Outside the tent stands a bronze sculpture of an anthropomorphic cat, Airy, standing watch like a loyal guardian. Inside, Altemer invites visitors to draw and paint on the interior walls. It's a living, breathing canvas, one that will evolve and transform as the days go by. By the close of the biennial in April, the artwork will look and feel drastically different, shaped by the creativity and emotions of everyone who stepped inside. A biennial brings people together to experience art like never before. Over the years, Abu Dhabi has witnessed an unprecedented surge in its cultural endeavors, building on decades of cultural prosperity and institutionalization, says Rita Aoun, Executive Director of the Culture Sector, Department of Culture and Tourism, Abu Dhabi. This biennial will further establish the emirate as a vibrant center for artistic and creative exchange. She continues, her words brimming with vision and passion. With initiatives like this, we celebrate artistic achievements. We strengthen the foundation for Abu Dhabi's cultural future, and we contribute to the Emirates' vision of cultural sustainability. This version introduces pauses and emphasis to evoke more emotion and atmosphere. Based in Beirut, Lawrence Abu Hamdan is an artist, activist, and researcher who masterfully combines contemporary art with the exploration of sound. His commissioned work for PAD, titled Whoosh Whoosh, is a poetic and thought-provoking creation. It takes the form of 15 sculptural interventions, delicately placed within public fountains. Here, water-driven instruments come to life, creating a soft, gentle procession of percussion that breathes a new tangibility into the organic pulse of public spaces and the underpasses that surround the Abu Dhabi Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
The whole concept was inspired from Damascus, that's in Syria. In Syria, every house they have a courtyard, and they also have a water fountain in it. So every night people used to go to the water fountain, have their private conversation, have their intimate dialogue. The neighbors, family members can hear them because water flow masks their communication. When you come to the center, I was surrounded by the beautiful city of Abu Dhabi. When you study here, Our communication is covered by or masked by the drums, like the music instruments, and the water. So that's the whole concept because that creates a privacy here. As we said, it creates a privacy. The name of the artwork is Wish Wish in Arabic, and in English it means whispering. So when you stand in the center, you can whisper.
This mesmerizing experience is complemented by an evocative art film, The Conversation, Flows, shot by Abu Hamdan on location. The film captures fragments of dialogue, partially obscured yet deeply resonant, as they are shaped by the haunting acoustics of the sculptures. A profound interplay of sound, space, and storytelling. Algerian-French artist Kader Attia's practice delves deeply into the intertwined notions of injury and repair, using them as lenses to explore the enduring legacies of imperialism and colonialism. His installation, Urban River, is composed of a striking trio of stainless steel frames.
Hello, welcome to Public Arts Abu Dhabi Biennial. My name is May. Right now you're standing on one of our hubs here in Urban Park. And right now we are here in Urban River. It was made by Kader Attia. He's a French-Algerian artist. And he was inspired by the cracks that he found in the modern city of Abu Dhabi. The cracks like you found here in the floors and in the roads. So through those cracks, he made this wonderful artwork. It's a 3D printed stainless steel frame. He assembled like an arc. So once you go inside here,
these frames replicate cracks found in the roads and pavements of contemporary urban environments, a poignant representation of the impermanent and imperfect nature of man-made structures. When reoriented vertically, these cracks take on a profound new dimension, presenting viewers with a map of the often overlooked erosion that quietly shapes their artificial surroundings. This journey of perception doesn't stop at the ground. Instead, it leads the eye upwards, towards the sky, where a sense of infinite possibility emerges. Through Urban River, Attia invites us to reflect on the fragile balance between creation and decay, the ground beneath us and the horizons ahead. This year's biennial explores themes of sustainability, identity, and the intersection of tradition and modernity. Artists from across the globe have come together to showcase their work, from immersive multimedia pieces to interactive exhibits that invite audience participation. Beyond the artworks themselves, the biennial offers a glimpse into the creative process. We spoke to artists, curators, and organizers to understand the vision behind this extraordinary event. From the initial sketches to the final masterpiece, every piece tells a story of dedication, collaboration, and innovation. A place where every walk feels like a journey, and every moment feels like a gift. As you step away, you carry with you more than memories. You carry the essence of a place that blends art, nature, and life itself. Until we meet again in the next chapter of the Abu Dhabi Art Biennial, where new stories and breathtaking creations await, may this moment stay with you. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Take care, and until next time, best wishes from Abu Dhabi.